How to buy BLAP, the BLAP token. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So as you can see, make sure to check the X account, and to be able to buy this token is by going to CoinMarketCap or CoinGisco. And find the token, open it from there. Now go to contracts and copy this token address. This token address is under the base network. Now go and open your Bitget wallet. So because it's the best choice to buy this token. Now after that, make sure to select the base network from here and click on this plus icon. Now from here, just paste this address token. Now after that, as you can see, click on this plus. As you can see, this token is not listed yet. Now just go back and now find the token. As you can see below, now click on it. Now click on swap and switch from here to be able to buy this token. Now from here, select the USDC, for example, and make sure to fill your Bitget wallet by USDC before to be able to buy this token. Now here, just enter how much you want to buy. And as you can see, wait a few seconds, as you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the BLAP token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.